As TikTok continues to dominate in 2025, opportunities to monetize your content are abundant. Let's dive into the effective ways to turn your TikTok views into cash. 1. The TikTok Creator Fund rewards creators based on their video views. You need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days to qualify. 2. Brands seek creators to widen their reach. With increased views, you can attract sponsorships to promote their products, highly lucrative if aligned with your audience. 3. Engage in affiliate marketing by promoting products and earning commissions on sales through your links. This becomes more profitable as your views grow. 4. Live streaming allows interaction with your audience. Viewers can send virtual gifts that convert to cash, making it a potential income source. 5. Selling your own products is easy through TikTok's e-commerce integration. Showcase your merchandise creatively to convert views into sales. The TikTok Creator Fund pays based on engagement, with earnings ranging from 2 cents to 4 cents per 1,000 views. Engage consistently for reliable income. To secure brand sponsorships, build an authentic following. Brands prefer influencers whose audience matches their target market. Affiliate marketing can be profitable through TikTok. Create content that drives viewers to click your links. Viral content increases sales potential. Maximize earnings by crafting high-notch, engaging content. Regular postings using trending elements keep your audience interacting and growing. In 2025, TikTok remains a prime platform for creators. Utilize Creator Fund, partnerships, marketing, and e-commerce to turning views into income efficiently.